Hi everyone, this is Anyana TV. Nag-European cruise po kami ni Alvin. At share ko po sa inyo yung mga experiences namin at gaano kaganda ang Rome. Yun po ang una kong pakikita sa inyo.
More than a century. It's been restored. It's been cleaned. That's the castle that we saw in the morning. The ancient Roman tomb that then became the fortress for popes. Remember we mentioned when the popes ran away.
Yeah,
They escaped in there.
They want to escape.
No, now, but in the past. See this bridge? The bridge is what the Pope used to run from the palace where he lives.
Oh, that's what they call the tunnel. Is that a tunnel that they?
Yes, where the Pope was running away in case.
Like that's what they said, right? The secret door.
At the end of this bridge is the palace where the Pope lives. Right there, the one on the right, on top. You see?
Oh, okay.
The one top right.
Yeah.
That one, yeah.
That is a long escape route for the Pope.
Yeah.
If you are 80 years old, how can you run that fast?
But no, 80 years old was too big age at the time. That was in the past, not now.
Okay.
Ang Vatican City po is the smallest country in the world. Kala ko nga siya rin ang wealthiest or richest country in the world. Hindi pala. Kasi nagre-rely lang sila dun sa mga donations ng mga Catholic sa iba't ibang part ng mundo. So, kaya dun lang sila nakarely. So, mayaman sila dun sa mga priceless artifacts at mga paintings na magaganda at mga kilalang nagpaint po. Doon sila mayaman, guys.
Okay.
Ito, guys, ang Vatican City. My God, dream come true sa akin itong Vatican City. Ayan guys, nasa harapan po kami ng Vatican Church. Ito yung sinasabi na, you're so near, yet so far. Dahil guys, hindi po kami makapasok. Dahil merong ticket na kailangan para makapasok po kami. Dahil may event ang Vatican ngayon. At kung bibili naman po kami ng ticket, it takes mga ilang minutes po. At maiiwan po kami ng bus. Kaya ayan guys, picture na lang kami ni Alvin para sa remembrance na pagpunta namin dito sa Vatican. Pero ang sabi naman ni Alvin, babalik daw kami at para makapasok kami dito sa loob ng Vatican. Which is dream ko talaga makapasok dito sa loob ng Vatican, guys.
Ano lang, ngayon lang, day visit lang kami. Dahil cruise ship Norwegian. Oo. Oo, gano'n. Pero, babalik kami ni Mrs. Dito ka ba nagtatrabaho? Pangalan ko si Alvin, kuya. Marcelo, magkikita tayo ulit.
Babalik dito sa room.
Oo. Sige, hintayin namin kayo rito.
May ano ba yung hotdog?
Itong Spanish Step is known siya or very famous na landmark dito sa Rome. Actually guys, hindi na kami bubaba dun sa baba. Kasi nakakapagod po at isa pa, super init. Mainit po ng panahon itong punta namin. Kaya medyo nagstay na lang ako dito sa taas. Ang hirap, ang dami tao.
other things are all in Italy, in Rome, in Florence. Then something is also in France, yes.
Daniel, that Benedict tomb is in Vatican, right?
In St. Peter, yes.
How about
St. Peter.
Paul John?
Pope John Paul
Pope
II.
John Paul.
In St. Peter as well.
Oh, okay.
Ho capito, ma qui se non vi fermate.
You really have to move. You can't just wait for the pedestrian because it will never stop.
No, they never stop.
Yeah. So you're a good driver. The art of driving.
Because our church leader in the Philippines, he was also candidate.
Ah, for being Pope.
Yeah. What's his name?
Tagle?
Cardinal Tagle.
Yeah, and I remember there was a Philippine one candidate. Yes.
Mhm.
Are you surprised with the new Pope, Daniel?
Surprised of what?
Like, do you think before they chose the Pope, do you see one of your candidates to be?
Well, I actually didn't follow them. I mean, I don't know the candidate,
Ah, okay.
so I don't care about popes actually.
Okay.
Sabi, ipapa-Spanish na. Patayin ko na lang kayo. Spanish na.
Torresta. Mga Torresta.
Torresta.
Ayan pa yung dalawa. Ayan yung dalawa.
Ay, babata sa kasama ko.
Dala ba tayo? Nasaan na sila?
Ah, dito, diretso tayo.
Diretso lang.
Andito siya nakapark eh.
Diretso lang.
Sabi, pinaka...
Ayun, doon.
Ah, dito siya iikot.
Dapat siguro Daniel. Bibilis nila.
Ang dami pa ng tao doon. Diyan. O, lalagay lang sa luggage. Dito tayo kumagin. Nakikita natin sa mga walang tao.
We are now in the Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain is the largest and most famous fountain in Rome. What does the fountain represent? Ito daw ay nire-represent ng Roman sea god Oceanus, standing in the shell-shaped chariot pulled by two horses. The one horse is calm, symbolizing the peaceful sea. At yung isa naman daw, wild, symbolizing the stormy sea. The sculpture celebrate the power and unpredictability of the water. So guys, yun daw yun. Grabe, ang daming tao. Hindi nga namin nagawa ni Alvin yung magtatos ng coins at magwi-wish dun sa Trevi Fountain. At isa pa, gagayahin ko yung ginawa nila Bon Jovi dun sa kanta nila na official video na Thank You for Loving Me. Diyan nila ginawa yun sa Trevi Fountain. Gagayahin ko sana. Kaya lang, di ko nagawa. Ang daming tao. Hindi kami makasingit, guys.
Daming tao, grabe. Paano kaya ito? Picture tayo rito. Daming tao. Love, huwag tayo mag-iwalay-walay. Hirap mawala.
Baka tayo mawala.
Yeah.
May mga gelato.
Oo.
Mamaya kayo.
Tito, ingat. Ingat, Mando.
Mando.
Galing ng kampana.
That people in line right there on the left. Okay, that's the entrance to go for the tomb. Okay.
Okay.
Now, yes, I show you how to get there.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Basilica of Saint Mary Major. Hindi ko po alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko, kung Saint Mary Major o Saint Mary Mahor. Well, anyway, dito po ang tomb ni Pope Francis. Kasi dito po niya ni-request na mailibing siya. Hindi po kagaya ng ibang mga Pope natin na ang kanilang mga tomb ay nasa Saint Peter Basilica.
Upo tayo.
Yan, di ba? Yun nasa dito.
Tabi.
Guys, ito ang tomb ni Pope Francis. Ayan po, guys. Tingnan mo, yung mga rosary. Oh, 95. Ito 16. And then 40. Iyan cross. Baka gusto nyo ano.
Ayun o, yung 40 na yun, oh.
14, di ba? Maganda rin yan na ano.
Yeah. Pili mo si...
Bibili ko rin.
Yeah. Kuha mo si Mami.
Mabibili ko kay Mami.
Pili mo na.
Ayan guys, ito yung mga nabili naming rosaries para kay Ate Mina, kay Mami, sa anak ni Alvin na si Jessie, at doon po sa kaibigan ko na nagpapabili siya. So anyway guys, binili namin to at pabeblisan namin kay Father. Ayan guys, sablesan ng mga rosaries. Thank you, Father.
And Slovenia.
Vectors now.
Yeah.
That's my grandpa.
And here is the Colosseum, the most famous building of Roman history and one of the most famous in the world. Now, we will find a place where I can stop so you can go, have a look, and come back.
Jerk chicken yan.
Ayan guys, binabalang kami dito ng aming tour guide. At susunduin niya rin kami doon sa usapan naming place. So ito yung the Colosseum. Very famous, the Colosseum.
Yan ang gladiator, Benedictus.
The Colosseum is the most famous ancient monument in Rome and one of the greatest engineering achievements of the Roman Empire. And it has stood for nearly 2,000 years and is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Ang Colosseum was a giant amphitheater where Romans gathered to watch yung mga gladiator, wild animal hunts, yung mga historic reenactment, yung mga ganun guys. At tuwan-tuwa sila sa ganun. May mga patayan, may mga dugo. At yun po guys, yun ang kanilang parang libangan dati.
Bello Riccardi. A fa un lavoretto. Ciao.
Is that your friend?
Yes.
Small room, huh?
Yeah.
Nasa kalsada sila eh. Oh.
The street reading. Yung may mga column na ano.
Yeah.
Saan mo ba gusto bumili ng ano sa Sagrada? Ano? Doon
Kahit,
na lang?
kahit sa Sagrada.
Okay, hindi na dito.
Pero kung makakabili dito, bakit hindi? Ayun, pipicture lang kita. Tayo ka na dyan. Kaya na 20 minutes.
Sabay.
Oo.
Yung meaning, andun kayo lahat na palitan, pero pag humiwalay, mahirap.
Yun nga eh.
Andun sila, Andy.
Pero mas maganda ginawa natin, may kissing scene. Gusto ko yung mga ganon.
Hindi ko alam
Yung may
yun,
kissing scene.
Kaya ganun na. Sila? Ako? Ikaw. Laki ganun na ka. Tapos sabi ko, lang, kiss lang, magpapalaki-laki. Nilalaplap mo ko eh. Lalang.
Lab, tingin dito.
Palang to.
Tingin. Alright, perfect.
Tao eh.